The Trump administration is preparing to invoke a sweeping wartime law to fast-track mass deportations, a move that could spark major legal battles. The Alien Enemies Act of 1798, a rarely used 18th century law, gives the president broad powers to target and remove undocumented immigrants. Legal experts warn this could face significant challenges in court. The primary target, Tren de Aragua (TDA), a Venezuelan organized crime group now operating inside the US, Trump has already pushed for TDA to be labeled a foreign terrorist organization to speed up deportations. The law has only been used 3 times in history during World War I and II, leading to controversial actions including Japanese internment. Critics argue the law applies only in times of war or foreign invasion, neither of which exist. But with Trump doubling down on his mass deportation pledge, this move could change immigration enforcement forever.